Hello, welcome to today's video. In this video we shall be looking at simultaneous equation using elimination method. If you missed our previous video, you can click on the link above to see what we did in our last video on simultaneous equation. In this video I will be looking at a different question on simultaneous equation using elimination method. Now we're asked to solve the pair of simultaneous equation. We are given 2x plus 3y equal to 1, and we are given negative x plus 2y equal to negative 4. We can decide to call this equation 1, and we'll call this equation 2. All right. So using elimination method, the first thing I have to do here is this: I have to ensure that I have equal coefficients in either y or x. So for me to get x, I have to eliminate y. For me to get y, I have to eliminate x. But before I can do that, I have to ensure that the coefficient of y on both equations are the same. So for me to ensure the coefficient of y on both equations are the same, I will multiply equation 1 by 2. I will multiply equation 2 by 3. So if I multiply equation 1 by 2, becomes 2 times 2 is 4x plus 2 times 3 is, we have 6y equal to, and 2 times 1 is 2. So this gives us a new equation, so I call this equation 3. So equation 2, 3 times minus x will give us minus 3x plus 3 times 2y will give us 6y equal to, and 3 times minus 4 will give us minus 12. So this gives us a new equation. I call this equation 4. So now I can eliminate my y variable, so I can get my x. This is called elimination method. So for me to eliminate my y, I can decide to subtract. So I can subtract equation 3 minus equation 4. Alright, so we have 4x, minus 3x we have plus 6y minus plus 6y equal to, we have 2 minus 12. All right, so what next? So we have 4x. Now minus times minus is a plus, so we have 3x, so we have plus 3x. In this case, minus plus is a minus, so 6y minus 6y is 0, so my y is out. We have equal to 2 minus minus 12, minus and minus gives us a plus, so we have 2 plus 12. 4s plus 3s gives us 7x equal to 2 plus 12 gives us 14. So now we can transpose to get our x. To get our x, I can divide both sides by 7. So we have 7x over 7 equal to 14 over 7. So 7 divide 7, so we're left with x is equal to 7 into 7 into 14 is 2. So our x is equal to 2. Okay, so what next is to find my y. To find my y, I can decide to put my value for the x into any of the 4 equations. And when you do that, you should get the same value for y. So I want to put my value for x into equation 1 to get my y. So I can say, therefore, put x equal to 2 into equation 1. So we have 2x, my x now is 2, so 2 times 2 plus 3y equal to 1. Alright, so 2 times 2 is 4 plus 3y equal to 1. What next? To get my 3y on its own, I can decide to subtract 4 from both sides. So minus 4 on the left hand side, minus 4 on the right hand side. So we have minus 4 on the right hand side and minus 4 on the left hand side. So 4 minus 4 is gone, so I am left with 3y equal to 1 minus 4 is minus 3. So what next? To get my y, I will divide both sides by 3. So divide by 3, divide by 3. So 3 cancel out 3, so I'm left with y is equal to 3 cancel 3 is 1, so we have negative 1. So the value for y is negative 1. Therefore, I can say that x is equal to 2 and y is equal to negative 1. This is our final answer. You can check if you are correct by putting the value for x and y into this equation, and you should get the value on the right hand side. Right, you can check it. So you have 2 here, so 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times x, which is x is 2, so 2 times 2 is 4, plus 3y, y is minus 1, so 3 times minus 1 is minus 3. Alright, so plus minus is a minus, so 4 minus 3 is 1. So you can see that we are very correct. So this is how we solve simultaneous equation in this form. Here is a practice question for you, just to test your understanding of the concept learned in today's video. You are free to submit your solutions to this email address, and we shall respond to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.